Yeah, I'm here already.
I'm happy to see you.
Yeah, nice to finally see you.
Oh, very good, very good. We're supposed to engage ourselves with...
But, excuse me. Take it easy now.
Is it the food?
Don't you know you're in public?
My friend, I used my money to pay for this thing. Let me enjoy myself.
I'm not saying you should come or something. You take it easy now. Are you not eating again?
I'm eating now.
Why did you drop your spoon?
I want to surprise you.
Do you want to disgrace me?
Let them go.
I've lost appetite.
I find my appetite. Don't worry, no problem. I cannot let something to waste my attention. How will you lose appetite? They don't lose appetite to this type of situation. Baby. I really enjoyed the food and everything. If not the one that you have to eat inside. Which side should we take? This side or this side?
You and who?
Me and you, of course.
This is the reason why I hate online dating. You're so disgusting.
Scope it.
I'm out of here.
Look at this one. Girls of nowadays, that's how they will be from you. Go to their house now, you see them eating bucket of eba. Nonsense.
Don't easy.
J.Y. Green.
I will finish you this game.
This is your water and more.
Hey, I will finish you.
My guy, I want to start going on.
Hey, please just follow him.
Scope it.
I'm expecting visitor.
J.Y. Green.
Yes, me. It's not
You are expecting visitor.
It's not today, you know me.
You are expecting visitor.
Yes, I'm.
Condom and more.
For what?
For your visitor.
To do what?
To do visitor.
My friend, can't you think something positive? I'm saying that I'm expecting visitor. Can't you think that I'm expecting my father or my mother or my sister? Please come and be going.
Don't call my helpline.
Please leave.
Condom and more.
Nonsense friend, stupid friend. I thought it's money you want to give me. This kind of regime you are giving me condom.